Hi everyone, welcome back to English Skill Hub. Today we're going to learn 10 common English idioms that can use in your everyday conversations. Let's check them. Something very easy to do. Example: the test was a piece of cake. It means that the test was very easy for me, and we should say the test was a piece of cake.
You look great, man.
You too.
Are they toughing you up in there?
No. It's a piece of cake. Piece of cake.
Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. Example: she told a joke to break the ice. It means that she told a joke to start a conversation in a social setting.
Okay, I gotta break the ice here. So you're in counseling, big deal. You want humiliation? I'll give you humiliation. I locked myself out of my house stark naked and got caught.
Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Example: she had to burn the midnight oil to prepare for her final exam. It means that she had to work late into the night to prepare for her final exam.
Figure of speech. I was trying to tell him that we'd be working late.
Then to burn the midnight oil implies late work.
That's right.
Drive somebody up off the wall, meaning to make somebody angry, to annoy somebody. Example: you drive me up off the wall when you drive so fast. It means that you make me angry when you drive so fast. It's annoying for me.
Drive me up the wall.
What?
I said you drive me up the wall.
Oh, drive you up the wall?
Yes. Good.
Okay.
See eye to eye, meaning to agree with someone. Example: we finally saw eye to eye on the business deal. It means that we finally agree with each other on the business deal.
Hey, have you decided if you're going to come with me to Comic-Con this weekend?
I really don't think so. I don't do well with that crowd. We never see eye to eye. Mostly because they're all wearing Darth Vader helmets.
Charlie's going to be...
Sit on the fence, meaning to be unable or unwilling to make a decision. Example: I don't know which movie to watch, so I'll just sit on the fence for now. It means that I don't know which movie to watch and I can't make a decision and choose one of them.
I don't know why. That decides it then. I was on the fence, but knowing that you two would be our neighbors, now we have to get it.
Ill. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. It means that I'm feeling a little sick today and I'm not okay.
How are you feeling? Kind of under the weather? Like you've got the flu? That would be the ricin I gave you.
When pigs fly, meaning something that will never happen. Example: he will clean his room when pigs fly. It means that he will never clean his room. So we say when pigs fly.
Kevin will never find out.
Unless I tell him. Which I would never do. As long as Denise cooperates. Denise?
When pigs fly.
You know, Smithers, I think I'll donate $1 million to the local orphanage. When pigs fly.
Will you be donating that $1 million now, sir?
No, I'd still prefer.
Hit the books, meaning to study very hard. Example: I need to hit the books for my final exam. It means that I need to study very hard for my final exam, and it's important for me.
Father, may I watch television with Steve?
No can do, son. You got an A- in biology. You get that grade up, I'll let you watch a full hour of Fox News or City Council meetings on Channel 36.
Great! I'll go hit the books.
Break a leg, meaning good luck. Example: break a leg of your performance tonight. It means that good luck in your performance tonight and I wish the best for you.
Oh. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by, but this is kind of a talent-only area, so.
Break a leg.
Hey, you break something too.
I'd like to hear from you. Which idiom was your favorite and which one do you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe our channel.